Hey, buddy.
Hey, what's going on, Yuki?
Uh, I'm a bit late. I just finished the game.
Yeah, I hear you. Priorities.
Uh, mm?
Priorities. I've been there.
Yeah. No, I was trying to just like chill a bit before.
Yeah, no, that's super fair. I feel bad because a lot of my buddies that I game with, um, like they've been
Sorry,
missing me
what?
lately. A lot of the guys. Sorry, I lost my voice the other day. I apologize in advance.
Oh, okay. No
Um,
problem.
a lot of the guys I used to play video games with, they've been missing me lately. And it's just because on top of work and trading and like obviously like hanging out with my wife and like responsibilities and shit,
Yeah.
I just can't play video games anymore. Which I do have a lot of free time. It's not like I'm killing myself with work, but it's just schedule. Like my
Yeah.
schedule doesn't allow for it.
I mean, you can't do everything, but
Yeah,
at least you enjoy yourself with other things. So
yeah, exactly. It's not like I'm fatigued. Um, and I do think I do a good job of keeping track of when I get fatigued. Like I think before the holidays, I was starting to feel it a little bit.
yeah. I mean, since I start to tag my fatigue, yeah, it's helped me so much, man.
Yeah, yeah, no kidding.
And also, like yesterday, you said that you can tell my patience of my shots, and it's
Mhm.
thanks to my taggings,
Yeah,
because I advertise taggings like when was my last trade, and it's like between 1 minute, 3 minutes, or 5 minutes, and
yeah.
I pay super attention to that, and that's helping so much. Okay, let's go. My tagging is set up. Where are we at? Yeah, as expected.
Oh, wow, I didn't realize how much we ripped up yesterday. That's crazy.
Yeah, I mean, it was inflation
Yeah,
uh, was better than expected. So, I mean, no surprise, the market just rip ups.
yeah. I'm still reviewing some trades from Tuesday.
Okay, no problems. Take your time. Yeah, we'll take the temperature a little bit and if you see if we can do something.
Still, I just got. They're giving you like.
No, what did you say?
Sorry, sorry, that was coming through my recording from yesterday.
Oh, okay.
My bad. It fucks with me too. Sometimes I'll hear myself talk, or I'll hear other people talking in the Discord in my recording, and I'll think they're talking to me. Fucking always fall
Yeah.
for that. I'm such a dumbass.
That was a bit good. Surprising.
How are you doing so far? Have you placed any trades?
Not yet. I'm not a fan of what's happening during this open.
Yeah,
Like we have like short momentum trend and reverse very fast.
yeah. It's like chop trending, kinda. It's weird.
It's not even trending at this point. It's just like pure range
Mm.
right now. So since I'm trying to catch some momentum, it's a bit hard right now to have any positions. I mean, if I do, I won't have my setup to enter anyway. So that's uh,
Mm.
that's a bit complicated. And what about you? No, you're still reviewing, right?
Yeah, I'm still reviewing, trying to just observe the price action that's going on
Yeah.
before I place any trades. I'm in no rush today.
It's funny because with these different channels, we're starting to have some teams.
Yeah, yeah. It's funny.
And what about Dream? Dream don't have his channels.
Oh yeah, yeah. I guess he doesn't. Not yet, anyway.
Yeah.
I don't think he streams very often, so that could be why.
Yeah, yeah, most likely.
review is done.
Nice. I'm looking for some up moves that fails in order to get back to shots. Like this one is a good up move. Yeah, that's failing. Ah, shit. Yeah, I just made a mistake, sadly.
Oh damn, was it a big one?
No, just broke even, but I enter shorts. I managed to get out at break even, but I wanted to exit my position before I get filled. I got filled, exit my position, and I mean not exiting my position, but I removed my stop loss and take profit.
Oh yeah, yeah, I've been there.
So I had to get it.
Sure.
Mistakes. Okay. That was not big deal, but it's okay though.
Kind of like this slip range that we're creating down here. Oof, missed it. 8650 would have been a good one there. Tempted to long here for that quick reclaim, but it's just too close to low of day for me. I'm gonna try short 85.25. Filled. Stopped out. Damn.
Yeah, I would wait. If I want to short, I would wait for the top of the range at 87, 80. Yeah, 87 around that. But I don't have much clarity right now.
Yeah, it's kind of looking like a breakout, like it wants to take back all that reclaim above us. A big market order just hit 1,000 to the long side. I'll try 88.75, maybe 89. See if we can get some continuation out of this. Filled 89. Breaking 90 if I can. Ooh, this could work for me. No, stopped me out. Damn.
You're drilling or you're already live?
No, those are two live trades I just took.
Oh, maybe start some drilling.
Yeah, that might be a
I
good
don't
idea.
know. I mean, you used to do that, right?
Depends on the
You used
day.
to.
Like this
Okay.
is really good price action for me in the last 5 minutes.
Oh yeah, so do your thing then.
Alright, now if I can get a shimmy back up to like 87s, I'll try a short. But I don't think it's going to give it to me. It looks like it's just running straight down. Excuse me.
Damn. That was a good one. Yeah, I just took a stop loss on 85.75. Maybe. Yep. Maybe too close. Good idea. But
See, I'm tempted to short here, but I feel like that move up was too fast. Maybe I'll try a crack at it. I'll try 87.50 filled. Take back that reclaim real quick. But I'm fighting the micro trend right now. Yeah, it's not working quick enough. One tick loss, maybe? Yeah. One tick loss and then it works for me. Damn. Okay, so we've got some downward compression here. I'll take a shimmy back, maybe 86.25 if it'll give it to me. But then a mid-range, so I gotta be careful if I'm getting short mid-range. Alright, I'll try 86.25 short. Oh, that's ripping too fast though. Yeah, I had to cut that. Too impulsive on that entry. Alright. Take a mid-roll here, 86 maybe. I'm gonna wait for it to play out a little more though. Wait for that 3 or 4 candles of green before I get in it. Especially since we're at low day. I don't think it's giving it to me. That looks like downward compression. Yeah, I don't think I have much clarity in this range. I'm gonna wait for it to break before I place any more trades.
yeah, I think it's a good idea. I'm doing the same. That's maybe a breakout right now.
Stocks almost look like they're mean reverting here, which could mean reverting to the downside, which could add to this breakout on ES. I might try a shimmy back short, maybe 82.75 if it'll give it to me. Close. Yeah, no cigar.
And I catch that. Fuck yeah.
Nice, dude. Good trade.
Yeah, I enter at 82 even. That's so nice fucking trade. Okay, that one was good clarity, drop run, fast run, good easy, good 16.
Try 78.25, no fill. Yeah, I'll pull that.
Yeah, that was a beautiful trade.
Ooh, that's not what I wanted to do. I just accidentally entered a trade. Shit. 2 tick loss. Damn. I'll write a note here, misinput.
I could easily held that trade, but since I was in a little bit in drawdown, I wanted to cash flow. I'm in bankroll.
Stocks look like they want to mean revert back up now, but I just need more confirmation before I want to get long. I like that move up to prior range. Let's see. If I can get like 77, I'll try a long. 77.25. No fill. Damn, that would have been a great trade right there.
Yeah, take your time. We are 30 minutes in, so we still have the whole session.
Try this shimmy back here, 82. Too quick. It's way too impulsive on that entry.
Yeah, I will take my time on this. I do have a setup to buy, but since I'm a more short bias right now, I'm not
Yeah.
comfortable now.
Yeah, that's probably fair.
Okay. Now, now we're back in setting, I think. I mean, I will try to. Yeah, this level held the markets. Yeah, the up move looks solid right now, so
Yeah, I'm gonna try short 79.50. I think I missed it though, man. I gotta be quicker. Glad I pulled that order. That would have fucking fucked me.
yeah, like this up move looks solid when it gonna stop at this level.
Yeah.
He should have just puke if we were in the downtrend still.
Wait for more confirmation here before getting long. I do like that reclaim to the upside and the double top at 83.50. I'll try 80.75. Filled. Instantly stopped. Shit, man. Not on it today. I think that might be my session. And then it runs without me. Yeah, that's fucking tilt.
Yeah, that's harsh.
That is fucking harsh.
What up?
Hey,
What's up, man?
Chilling.
That's fucking brutal.
Something happened?
Yeah, I got stopped out of a trade one tick before it ripped like fucking 30 ticks in my favor.
Oh shit, on ES?
Yeah. Yeah, it's frustrating. Yeah, I'm definitely done for the day after that.
My bad.
Shit.
yeah, today he seems to pull the trigger really easily. Yeah. I don't know if you still don't trade before 10. I mean,
So,
Yeah, I mean it depends. I mean,
yeah, now it's depending.
I felt like at
I
that
mean, you could change
range.
your mind anyway.
Yeah, that range between like 9:40 and 10 o'clock. Like that was
Yeah,
a
you had
great range, but I just couldn't execute on it. You know. Like my
you had
first
edge.
trade of the day was shorting a mid range. And then long at the top of the range, you know. I think I'm getting too aggressive with my range trades, like my mean reversion trades. I'm always mean against, which isn't a good thing.
I mean, it's depending. Fat Cat who is his best tag is mean against.
Yeah, that's definitely true.
So it's really depending, I think. Yeah, I don't have any entry to follow this move, sadly.
Ironically, that last trade was like the best setup of the day for me. And I
Yeah.
got stopped by one tick. That's fucking
I don't know if
frustrating.
you have. I don't know if you have a tags like. I do have a tag called stop loss too tight.
Yeah, that I do have execution tags, whether like the entry was good or the exit was good, exit late, exit early, and that one was definitely exit early.
Yeah, maybe because like some of the trades are the best setup, and sometimes I also do miss them because my stop loss is way too tight for the setup. Yeah, I think I'm way too late for this up move. I will wait for the fail. Okay, I do have like my first sign. Okay, and now we are good to looking for shorts. Yeah, sad. No position.
Most of you guys doing like combines or funded account?
Yeah.
How's that going?
Eh. It's not really about making money at this point. It's just about getting the reps in. I could give a shit about how my evals are doing, as long as I'm getting data.
was down 5 Gs this month. Now back in the green.
Nice, man.
Where's Havoc at? I haven't seen him in a while.
I don't know.
He's usually on in BC. Damn, I should have shorted that.
Yeah, I was not comfortable with the micro range that he did.
I was looking on the wrong side. I was on the wrong side of the trade.
Oh, okay. I was looking for shots. But now we try to catch some of that, maybe.
That would have been a good trade though. Shorted that.
Yeah, no entry. It's so sad.
Well, we're kind of hovering above yesterday's value high or POC. POC. So if it holds here, hopefully it's bull.
And that's maybe a new up move.
I'm not in any rush. I don't feel like giving back any money today.
Okay, that's a nice up move. Are we looking for long again?
Guarantee a lot of people got tricked there. They went short there. Damn, I'm just not feeling it today, dude.
Yeah, I will just do some quick scalps. Okay, this one was chop run, fast run, good, good clarity. Chop run, fast run. Yeah, I'm not a fan of this compression.
I'm all probably gonna get stopped out.
I mean, I was long biased too, but yeah, it's 50-50, so I don't like this.
Stopped out. Should have held that. You know what? I'm uh I'm up 20 grand this month, so I'm just gonna call it, dude. I don't feel like doing this.
Yeah,
Never
that's
mind. I don't know.
That's a good idea.
yeah, good call.
These algos are bringing it up, down, up, down, up, down, but again, too, they're gonna pop it up to the top side, then drop it hard. Or I'm absolutely wrong. Yuki, you're doing like top step, right?
Yep.
Did you hear about the financial thing that's going on?
No.
Little whistleblower, a top step employee, said that they didn't do any New Year's sale like everyone else because they're in some pretty serious financial pinch right now.
Oh, really?
That's why they changed the Combine XFA thing recently.
Didn't know that. Thanks for telling me.
Yeah, I mean, if I wouldn't go for like 5 accounts, I'd go for one, get a live account and just trade that. It might be, I don't know, wasting your time if you're trading all five, who knows?
I mean, I'm always trading one at a time anyway, so
That's what's up. You know what sucks though? I really wanted to buy like a older, like either 2012, 2013 McLaren or like a 2006 Gallardo. But I gotta put some money into my sister's house to help her out. So much for that, right?
What are you doing, Chronic, right now?
I'm just typing up a daily report card.
Oh, yeah. I'm so tempted to call you like Cronky.
Yeah, fucking Miller.
I fucking love it when you say
Yeah,
that.
yeah. I don't correct him on it because I kind of like it.
Yeah, me too.
Oh man, that's hilarious.
Okay, back to up move now. Just trade. I just want to one more trade, and then I'll be done for the day. Or I can just stop right now, but I barely trade, so that's a bit weird.
You ever have Scott Paulsini?
Um, in between, I think I am. Sometimes I
He's
scalps and sometimes I can hold my trade.
there's this famous market maker named Scott Paulsini. He used to be like 10% of ES volume, and he has like these little sayings. Don't ever stop trading until you give some back, because you'll never know, that might be that one day of the year or 2 days of the year where you made most of your P&L. That's kind of how I am, honestly.
Yeah, like sometimes you have like a big opportunity to just hold on your trade and just get carried by the market.
Yeah, I try to, what I'm working on this year is being way more aggressive, like just adding to maximum position size and put it to break even and let it ride. You know what I mean? But we'll see.
I gotta piss. I'll be right back.
And it's a bit scary, but
You know, this market's incisive. I really see this thing sweeping these lows hard, maybe.
yeah, I'm really not a fan of the price action right now. Not giving me much momentums. You're just switching direction way too often. Yeah, that was a good shot right here.
As I understand too. We probably get another opportunity here in a second if we clear this failure low.
Yeah, I'll just take my time for my last trade.
And I'm just can't break even.
You still trading?
Yeah, I entered a short, but it's just too volatile this level. I think it's going to go down, but I I, I, sh I added a second lot into it, hoping it's going to break down, which it looks like it's about to, but I moved it to break even immediately, and that stopped me out.
Yeah, I was looking for short for the same place, but since the market just stalled way too much, I just pulled the order out and just watch the market right now.
Yeah, this thing's going to pop up. Good thing I got it. Oh shit! She's going to short. Ah, fuck! I should have been a man that held that. Maybe not. I think it's going to work flash out. If we get like a strong
Alright, I'm
volume
back.
push out these lows, I'll fucking long that. But it has to be like a strong volume push. Yeah, thank God I got all that.
Yeah, that's why I exit my. I didn't enter shorts at this point. Way too stall.
I think crypto's gonna take a major shit right now.
Okay. Yeah, I'm back shorting right now. Way better timing now.
Dropped. Shit. I'm gonna wait if we sweep the lows really hard. I'll put on some size.
Okay, but still long then.
Yeah, they're fucking with us, dude. Those damn algos.
The market is very, very trappy.
I think the live
Okay.
core getting wrecked today.
Yeah, I got stopped out for more long. Still up.
Typical algo bullshit, dude. Run it up, dump it. You're right on your short bias, just not the entry, I guess. Fuck, is ES dumping?
Yeah. I mean, not dumping. It's just like back to the value area low. Fast run, fast run.
Damn, just 3-3 back-to-back stop outs. Shit. Might be called this year.
And I'm done for the day. Let's fucking go.
You short?
Yeah. I managed to short the high of the small move, small little move before the dumps.
I'm gonna wait until we clear that low with hard volume. I'll take the reversal trade. If we don't create the low and hit it with real hard, build balance, I'll go long either way.
Okay, so that was fast run, fast run, fast run. Good entry. Extreme entry. Happy with Pioneer. When was my last trade? Yeah, that was 3 minutes. Good idea. Okay, I'm done for the day. That's nice. Export that. No, he's gone. Yeah, you still here, Chronic?
Yeah, I'm still here, bro.
I think he maybe tilt.
Oh, big time, buddy. Fuck. It's
I mean,
insane.
he was up like a shit tons, right?
On the account, yeah, but today I didn't hit a single win. I had 0% win rate.
Yeah, it's. I mean, the market is very trappy right now. We are in a bigger range.
Yeah, I mean, the price action was good today, man. I just traded like shit. I was forcing like high risk reward trades without any edge, you know, like going long on the outer edge of a range, trading
I
against
mean,
ranges and shit like that, trading in the middle of a range. Like it was a mess.
I'm not gonna blame you because like one of my worst trade of the day was basically a long out of the upper auto range.
Sure.
So not gonna blame you on that. And yeah, okay, I give all my like yesterday. I think I'm gonna do that for my review because like my PNL, my graph, and my trade of the day. Oh, maybe yeah. Oh no, he just way up to. He went back to max.
No, yeah, I see him.
Is my good idea trades like it's a pure uptrend, like no drawdown at all.
Yeah, yeah.
that's that's insane.
I'm gonna oh, Jesus Christ, my fucking voice. I'm gonna tag you in a post, Yuki. I hope that's okay.
Yeah, sure, don't worry. No worries. You can take me whenever you want. Yeah, I just read your message and like I don't know if you were that much impatient or impulsive on some other trades. Like I know sometimes you really, I mean not sometimes, like most of the time you trade very, very well, and yeah, maybe we need to go in depth of your trade, like where were they placed.
Yeah, yeah. We can rock out a review session if you want. If
Yeah,
only if you're done. Only if you're done.
I'm done. I'm not gonna trade this market anymore. It's like it's been very hard to find a edge in this market for me. Um, like you can tell by my screen, like my trade has so much spaces.
Yeah,
Because like it's very hard to exactly know when I have a good setup, actually a good setup. And today is just shifting over and over, so I'm not gonna I'm gonna force anything.
yeah, and I mean that's a good thing, man. To have those gaps in between trades, like it means you're focused, like you're actually observing the price action. You're not just trying to force shit, you know. I wish my charts looked like that. I wish I had more gaps in between trades.
I mean the tag on my patients, like it's helping me so much.
Yeah.
Like I encourage Chewy to do the same. I don't know if he's implementing that. But at first like I'm gonna put that here on the
Sure.
voice chat.
Oh, that's cool.
And at first I had like 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 10 minutes.
Sure.
But I noticed that when I don't trade above 10 minutes, I usually do bad. But my sweet spot is like 5 minutes.
Huh.
Uh,
Interesting, dude. I'll fucking implement that right now. That's a good idea.
it's basically the patient leg
Sure.
of fat cats. Like I needed something like actually accountable. Like we can count on it. So
Sure.
3 minutes is fine, but I have to be careful. And 1 minute is like I know that I'm just forcing. And I do have like a re-enter tags because like sometimes I just re-enter a trade. It's not like a different trade idea.
Mm.
When I have two trade idea in 1 minute intervals. It's bad usually.
Sure.
And I have like a add for if I want to add on another lot. But that's it. And I pay super attention to that because like I know 1 minute is like straight to hell. 3 minutes is fine, but 5 minutes is the best. But I also do have to let some trade go without me.
Sure.
So, and sometimes it's for the best. So, I mean, most of the time it's for the best, to be honest. But yeah, that's my tagging, my patience tagging. So.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stack that on top of my patients. I'm gonna take it off exclusive because I don't see any downside to having non-exclusive tags at the minute. I might come to regret that later, but I can always move tags around, you know, which is so cool about this journal, dude. Like you can set tags up, and if they don't work, you can just swap them around later and keep those tags, keep the data, you know.
Yeah.
So I'll take a screenshot. I'll show you what I'm doing. So this is how I just set it up, and it's non-exclusive. So what I'll do is I'll tag, am I being patient, and then how many minutes since my last trade.
Yeah, that's nice, I think. I mean,
Alright.
that's your three legs, but you can. It's not like do I have to check if I'm patient enough? It's just like when was my last trade, and I can just watch
It's
when was my last
objective.
trade.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's objective. It's like it's pure. It's just fact.
Yeah. Exactly.
So I don't have to lie myself or something like that because I like you say today, I do have the same problem. Like sometimes I lie to I lie to myself.
Mm-hmm.
So and it's really hard to notice that anyway. So don't be too harsh on yourself on that.
Sure. Yeah.
But that's why I changed my patience table to this kind of thing because like, it's just fact and I don't judge, I don't search, I don't lie, it's just fact.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's really easy to. Yeah, that's nice. I think that's gonna be fine like this.
All right. Jump into some review.
Hey, your Apex is a PA. That means you're funded, no?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. I've got a PA on Apex.
Oh, nice. Okay. I wasn't sure. Like I noticed that the other day, but I wasn't sure if that.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, that's fair. And it's not my first time having a PA, and I try not to think about it too much because
Yeah,
it
of
adds
course.
some psychology to it. You know.
Yeah, definitely. That's what I'm gonna say that maybe today is because of PA too. So
Yeah. It definitely could be. I think. Well, one decision I made going into PA was that I wasn't going to change anything.
yeah,
But I think I am. I think I should cut back to one lots for a bit. And like my daily loss limit right now is 1,000, but I think that's way too much. I think I should cut it down to 500.
yeah. I have the same problem. To be honest, like sometimes my drawdown is like 100, and it's the top step rules
Yeah.
basically. And I have like a very hard time to stop myself when I'm down. Uh, I'm working on it too, so that.
Sure.
But yeah, going into the PA, you can say like I'm gonna do the same, but you're
It's there.
most
It's
likely
there.
you.
Yeah. The
Yeah.
emotions are there. You know, you can't lie to
Because
yourself.
like you can catch a big trade and like you imagine yourself catching a big trade and just make $100 in
Yeah.
a few seconds. So
It affects
that's
you. Definitely.
yeah, definitely.
All right. When was my first trade? 9:51. Alright,
Okay.
and I think this was a fucking bad trade because I'm in the middle of a range, and I marked the range, so it's not like usually I could tell myself, oh, I just didn't see the range, but I saw the range. I charted it out, so
At the same time, like in this trade, like I'm a trend trader, I think,
sure.
and I need to have a bias in order to execute a trade, uh, especially in the middle of the trade of a range.
Yeah,
And yeah, usually when I see like a range at the bottom like this, I will be extra careful because like yeah, if he wants to go down, he should go down. I mean,
yeah.
and when it's stored like this, it's very dangerous. And did you have like a bias on this trade or just try to play the range itself?
No, not really, and that's kind of what my problem has been lately. Like one of the reasons I don't like drilling before I place trades is because I it carries over. I start placing trades as if they were drills. And this is an example of it. Like I'm placing this trade as if I'm trying to get one tick out of it, like a tick drill. But
Yeah.
that's not the point. Like that's not what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to trade. I'm trying to make money. I'm trying to take high expected value setups. So for me,
Yeah.
this was just like a quick drill, like a quick scalp. Like I'm just gonna get a couple
Yeah.
ticks out of it. But I'm risking real money. I can't be treating this like a drill. This needs to be more thought out. It needs to be carefully planned. I need to have a bias, like you said, and I just didn't
I
have
mean,
any of those things.
not especially a big bias, but a bias and confirmations. Like that's
Yeah,
what I'm using right now. And like most of the time, I'm with the market,
yeah,
and it's helping me a lot. But yeah, I can understand what you mean. Like you used to drill so much, then
yeah. That
yeah,
mindset just carries over.
yeah. I mean, it could work anyway, but you need to understand why it doesn't work.
Yeah.
Like why do you think at this point of time the market at the middle of the range it could go down again?
Well, for one thing, it's trend favor, but that doesn't really
Yeah.
mean much when we're only a half an hour in. And I can't rely on that by itself. Like I can't just rely on trend. There needs to be more working for me.
I mean, it's depending like where you execute on it,
Yeah,
basically. Because like, see, your first trade was a short on the middle of the range, but if you shorted the top of the range, it could have worked
it could have
also.
worked. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So
Uh,
just a little too early, a little too impulsive, a little too eager to get into a trade, I think.
yeah, maybe. But it's more like you have a good idea because like the market puke just after
Hmm.
that, a little bit after that. But it's a place where you enter.
Yeah.
Uh,
So I'm gonna do high time frame mean none because I think we're trending. I don't think there's much of
yeah,
a range on the 10-minute chart. The micro trend I was mid. Trend favor on the higher time frame. Micro time frame lower highs. I think I was still trend favor on the smaller time frame.
yeah, definitely. I think it's just like a place, like
Yeah,
a timing problem because like you had a good idea. That's why I do have a tag like good idea or bad idea overall.
hmm,
Just telling me if I'm right or wrong, and sometimes like I can't say I trade well because like all my trade were bad idea.
yeah,
But
yeah,
sometimes like yesterday and today I have like most of my trade are good idea because like even if I didn't execute well on it, I know that it was a good idea and I can just fix my management or my
sure,
yeah just some management.
yeah. I
And
did think,
yeah, you were right about these shorts. That's not a good place.
yeah, yeah. It's not a good place. It was a good idea, but I was too early, and I think it affected my psychology after.
Yeah, definitely. I think.
Because my next trade was a long, but we'll get into that on the recording. I did aggressive scalp. At the time, I
Yeah,
thought I was being conservative, but I'm shorting into low of day, and I think anytime I'm shorting into low of day, it's aggressive. Especially since I was early. Like if I had
yeah,
waited for the top of the range to short, I think that would have been conservative.
yeah. Because like you have at least the range in your favor.
Yeah,
So even if you don't have the break of the lows.
yeah, exactly. I'll do entry early because obviously I was early. My exit. How many ticks is
Yeah.
that? 5 ticks. I think that was exit late. I could have exited a lot sooner. And then
I think five sticks. It's yeah, it's pretty early anyway.
yeah,
For me, yeah. I mean, for me, I think it's a good exit because like it's a momentum, like it's pure momentum right there.
sure. Yeah,
So it just rip up in a second, like 4 or 5 ticks. So you just kill that fight when you
true.
could.
Yeah, and it's also about where I put my stop. Like that was me getting stopped out. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, yeah, that was a stop. Um, so maybe you're right. Maybe it is a realistic stop to have it right there.
I mean,
I don't want to be too tight, you know. Like I don't think a 2 tick
yeah,
stop
yeah,
would have
of
been
course.
appropriate for that.
No, of course.
So
That's why I'm telling you it's a good stop because like you just like you didn't have to exit manually anyway,
sure, yeah.
so couldn't do better.
Shorting into low of day.
I think for me a bad exit is like when you have the opportunity to exit, but you don't.
Yeah, and I have some of those later on in the session.
I mean, this one you didn't have choice. Like you just go straight to the stop loss. So
Yeah,
what could you do?
yeah, exactly. Factors of support. I think I had this is a little reclaim right here, and we were also at the time. I think we were coming up on London session lows, or am I?
I mean, I'm not a fan of like you said it was a reclaims, but is it a reclaims? Because like he got filled right away, right? It was a
Um,
spike down
more so
and
reclaim target. Like I was targeting a reclaim.
oh yeah, okay.
So this little
Yeah, because
reclaim
like
right here.
it spiked down, it spiked up right away. So I don't know if it's
I had reclaim against me, which means it essentially means it cancels out. Because if I have reclaim against me and I'm trading into a reclaim, it's like they cancel each other out, you know.
yeah, it's
So
getting complicated.
yeah, I won't mark that on that one. Um, I was using a prior session high or low, so I'll tag that, but it didn't end up working out. And then I'll give this one a yellow rating because I could have done a couple things better, but it also wasn't a horrible trade, like you said.
I mean, on the management side, you couldn't do better, to be
Yeah,
honest.
yeah. No, that's true. I just think I could have waited for the
Yeah,
upper end of the range.
that's why I'm telling you, like, maybe you're a bit too harsh on yourself because, like, when you watch the replay, you just don't have time to react at all.
Yeah, yeah, that's fair. What's my next trade? 952. Oh, too far. This was long at the end of the range.
Yeah.
Looking for a breakout up. I also like that it rolled flat right here. At, what is that, 90 even?
Yeah,
Psychological.
that's where I'm a bit like right away you said you're looking for a break high,
Yeah,
but a break high means like it's prediction.
yeah,
And since you're down 5 ticks and you had like 4 ticks in the bucket right here
yeah, yeah. I should have taken that off at 99.75.
because your trade was very good, but
Mhm.
it was very good for the range itself.
Yeah, yeah, for the
And
range, but there's not enough supporting a breakout up. Especially, like you said, if I'm looking for a bias, there wasn't much supporting a long bias today. You know, like if I'm placing that trade right here, sure we have reclaim, but reclaim alone isn't really good enough.
I think it's a bit easy to say that afterhand because like when I saw the replay, it's a really good place to like it's really looking good for a long, right?
Sure.
That's why you long the place. But yeah, it's because like you predict something else and you had a really good trade already.
Sure.
May- Um, yeah, that's a
Holding.
bit
Like
yeah.
it didn't match the expected value.
And yeah, since like you were down, and I would most likely yeah, I would try to bankroll a little bit.
Yeah, yeah. And
Like you
I've been
could,
struggling with that lately. Is like whenever I'm down on the day, I'm taking more aggressive trades and like shooting my targets longer. When it
oh
should be
yeah,
the other way around, you know?
this should be the opposite, but it's really hard to do that.
Yeah.
But you
Um,
just need to be a habit. So
yeah, yeah, exactly. Build that habit.
that's why in like I don't know where yeah, on my third trade of the day, I was down 200.
mm,
And I catch a really good trade, a really good momentum trade, and I knew that I could held because like I'm supposed to held the
sure.
position. But since I was down, I was like bankroll, take 200 and be up for the day.
Yeah,
And then like I have no trade for like 20 minutes in order to chill and watch for the best occasion opportunities again, in order to just bankroll the my account.
Yeah.
Like this trade was really good, to be honest. You just like you had for too long, or you expect too much.
Yeah. Yeah. Holding.
Like it's almost like the same for the first short, because like you said, you was looking for a break of the lows, a
Yeah.
break of the range, and yeah, if you're trading two lots, what if you just like play out the range yourself with
Mhm.
one lot and hold the other if you want to,
Yeah.
but
Yeah. That's a pretty good idea.
uh, or just like if you want to, like you're a scalper, right? So if you're a scalper, you just gonna play out uh, the high probability trade, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So if you're in the bottom of the range or on the extreme of the range, you're just gonna play the range, or at least the middle of the range.
One thing I might do right now that you got me thinking about it, is I'll set up a hotkey for break even. And that way, when I do take half lot off like that, oh, I already have it set up. Okay.
I mean, it's just idea, and I'm not sure that it's gonna fit your style or what you want, basically.
Yeah.
But
Just gonna try a drill
yeah,
trade here.
I'm like I'm not sure if you.
There, and then it moves to break even. All right. I just wanted to test that out.
Yeah, sure.
So I will take that into consideration. Just like, because like you make a good point. This is a really good trade,
Yeah,
but my
that's
my
pretty.
expectations are too high, and
Yeah,
it's okay to
and you
push
wasn't
that, but take a lot
you
off.
it wasn't it. I mean, that's super small, so it's really hard to manage one
Sure.
off and get out. I mean, you have to like super. You have to be super fast, but at this point, you wasn't in a good place. I mean, in PNL terms,
Yeah.
to to expect higher, because like you were down, you had a really good trade to manage it, to manage your drawdown, and you expect even more.
Yeah.
See the trap.
Yeah. Yeah. And while we're on that subject, I think after I took this loss, my first thought should have been, okay, something's wrong. Take a break.
Yeah,
Like there's something fundamentally wrong about how I'm trading right now. The fact that my first trade was a good idea, but I was early, and then my second
yeah,
trade was a good idea, but I was late. I held it too long. Like something's
yeah.
wrong. Take a break. Come back. You
Yeah,
know?
that's why I'm telling you that the PA may be the reason.
Yeah.
It really looked like that, because like the first one was way too early, and the second one was expectation was way too high,
Yeah.
and it's the only thing like I can explain that is PA. If you want to make money,
Yeah. Yeah. Definitely.
and that's normal. It's like it's a normal thing.
Yeah.
Uh,
I've dealt with it before.
yeah, me too. I smashed PA like that too. Oh.
All right. So trend. This is high time frame trend. What were we trending again? Were we trending up today on the 10-minute? Yeah. Right. Because we had that inflation.
Yeah,
news, so. Trend favor. Micro trend against though, because we're pretty clearly trending upwards here on the 3-second. Slip favor, because I did. If
yeah.
this is a slip range, I definitely had slip favor.
I mean, you have like range advantage anyway, so
Yeah.
for me,
I think my execution was aggressive. If it was conservative, I would have taken it off for 2 or 3 ticks, but I was holding too long. And this was a hold. Like I was trying to hold it past.
yeah. I mean, like I heard you a lot say, "I'm gonna try that for the breakup."
Yeah. Yeah.
I heard you say that a lot,
Multiple
and
times.
like you like on your on your writing, on your report of the day, you were super harsh to yourself.
Mm.
But at the same time, you see that you did some really good trade, but just like expectation was wrong.
Yeah, yeah. I'm
So
pushing
you are a good
trades
trader.
beyond their expectation.
So you are a good trader because you can took really precise and good trade. But I think it's more psychological issue today.
Yeah, big
More
time. And I think that's why, like in my opinion, exiting is more important than entering.
yeah, me too.
Because I'm nailing entries, but my exits, I'm not exiting the trades when I need to. You know.
Maybe you can add a tag like for your expectation on the trade. I
Yeah.
don't know if you have that already because like if you have to know if your expectation is usually way too high or way too low,
Mhm.
or uh like I had that tag at one time, but I'm not using it anymore. But it's helping me to know if I was like stubborn or something like that.
Sure.
Do you know what I mean? Yeah.
Yeah, I'll add that to. I keep a
I mean, it's just
note
an idea if
of
you
what tags I should add, and I'll add that. Where is it?
like
Journal
because
notes.
I can hear you say the expecting a breakout since you have a really good trade on your hand already. Uh,
Yeah, I'll look into that.
yeah, just an idea.
This was. I'll call this mid RTH. That's not really low of day. I think if I was getting short or long down here, that would count. But I'll keep it like that. I had a micro value area. But it didn't really factor into my trade. I'm going to take that off. I had the flat area at 90 that I wanted. And that's pretty much it, dude. I didn't have a lot of edge on this trade. Like you're saying, it would be it's enough edge for 2 or 3 ticks, but it's not enough edge for a breakout.
When you can you mark can you go back to your whole PNL and just show me the tag flat area?
Oh, let's see. I don't know if I have this set up yet. Let's see. How to take this filter off. I might have to build it real quick, which should only take a second.
Yeah, just one tag.
Just my settings. So volatile, not a lot of
Yeah,
direction.
because for me, flat area, I know that you like that you like this setup a lot, but most of the time you want for the breakout of this tag,
Yeah,
and that's related to a breakout, you know.
yeah, yeah,
So that's why I wanted to see if you have a good result on it or not, because like you can know if you have like your expectation with this tag almost.
yeah, yeah, and that's a good point. Let me see if I can. So my win rate is below 50%. It's 0.35.
Yeah, but what I want to know is like if you had your breakout of this flat area or not.
Yeah, that's fair.
That's but if you trade into just your target is the flat area itself, or if you try to go past it. So
Yeah, it's usually target. Like it's usually what I'm looking to get out of the trade is the flat area.
yeah,
Like I'm trying
okay,
to trade into it.
okay. I just wanted to know that.
Yeah. Where was I? Did that not save? Is this not the trade that we're on? We're still on number 2. Or we're still on number 2.
Yeah.
Fuck, we got a lot of trades to go through. Alright, that one's done though. What was my next trade? Oh, I want to tag This
Yeah, but at the
was-
same time, we are going deep in each of these
yes,
threads. So.
yes, and I need to today. So was that less than a minute?
Yeah, I do not. You don't have much trade, so that's fine. We can spend much time on that. Oh, you see, yeah, like that's where you're gonna see if
Yep.
most of your trade just below 1 minute or
Yep.
not. I mean, it's maybe for you it's good because like I don't know, you're a scalper.
I don't want
Or
that, dude. I do not want my trades to be too close together.
yeah,
Because
okay.
I
Well,
can already tell that I know what I'm gonna find out by using this tag. I'm gonna find out that my tags are shitty when they're too close together, but I want to know
yeah.
how shitty they are. How much money am I losing when I do this?
I don't see that. Don't see it like this because like if you know that you will have bad result below 1 minute, just use that as a checklist. Then
Sure. Yeah.
like always check when was your last trade before and tag it, and then you see if you have like opportunities.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Use
So
it
you
as a
don't
checklist.
just like don't use this as a scary thing.
Mm.
Just use that to just a checklist.
Sure.
Nothing.
Sure. Yeah. Don't develop a bias too quick.
Yeah, yeah.
All right. 9:54.
Even for you, if you don't want to trade below 1 minute, then just do like this.
Yeah. Yeah. True. All right. So I think this trade ended up working for me after I got out of it. Yeah. So psychology is affecting me at this point. Like
Yeah, you're scared. You're a little bit scared. Your P&L.
three ticks drawdown is nothing. I can easily hold through 3 ticks drawdown. But now
Yeah.
I'm scared, and I got out
Yeah.
of it.
Yeah, that's normal. And I think just your entry was too early, to be honest.
Yeah, I agree with that. Too impulsive because it dropped down and I immediately got in.
And well, like, when you zoom in, you're in the bottom of the small legs just before. Like you have the small leg up, and then you puke down.
Yeah,
Microwaves. And I will at least try to get out like 2 ticks above or something like that.
yeah, I would do slip against on that.
Yeah,
Slip against.
because like if you had sleep favor on this, you could held like you should have held that way easily,
Yeah,
way more easily.
yeah. Micro.
But again, that was a good idea.
Yeah,
See?
yeah. It and it worked. Like that was how much ticks I was expecting to get out of it.
Yeah. And see, when you're tracking that, when you're tracking good
Mhm.
idea, bad idea, for example, like you can be a bit easy on yourself because like you know that you had a really good idea, but you
Yeah.
just have to execute better on it.
Exit early or entry early and exit early.
Yeah, I think so.
I had reclaim working for me. We had a micro value area working for me. And that's pretty much it. And then these emotions I think are pretty solid. I still was, at the time I was feeling good right now. Maybe a little impatient. But after watching this trade work without me, that's when I started actually experiencing emotional issues. Like in hindsight, I can tell I was experiencing emotional issues here. But at the time, I didn't realize it. I'll give this one a yellow, and on what you're saying, I'll go back and actually give this one a yellow too. Because
because the three first one was the first one was you couldn't manage better than that.
yeah,
The second one was a good idea, but you didn't exit at the right place. And the third one was a good idea, but you exit way too early. So see, both of the like you can really get easy on yourself because like you had really good idea on
Sure.
all of these trades.
Yeah.
Maybe not the first one, but
yeah, exactly. All right, and then this one is within 1 minute.
it was a really good trade.
Yeah, it could have worked, man.
But
now
I
I'm
hate
hooked
this
on.
entry. I hate this entry.
I know, it's so impulsive, man.
Yeah, you don't like. at least I'm waiting for one ticks red.
Yeah, just instantly get it in. I've got such a bad habit of doing that.
Just like you know that I use Ekenashi a lot.
What's that?
It's the my candlesticks in
Oh yeah,
waves.
yeah,
See, it has red or blue. It is depending on the average of the last candle.
sure.
It just helped me to see like the waves, the different waves. And when I want to enter the opposite way, I wait at least for the opposite color to show up.
Yeah,
That's the minimum.
yeah, that's so fucking fair, dude.
See that if you wanted to short, you want to short right now because
Yeah,
like you have two
because you
ticks
got
red.
one red candle. Yeah. All right, so this one was micro mean mid.
Yep. Sleep mid.
Yeah,
Yeah, this one was
against,
harsh.
turned against, slip against, aggressive. What was my expectancy for this? What was I looking for? I think I was looking for a break of these lows, so I'll do move to move on this one. Entry way too early and exit way too late. Like I should have
Yeah,
caught
again,
that immediately though.
you enter for breakout again.
Yeah,
See,
yeah,
you tend to do that a lot, I think.
yeah, big time. And it's a habit. Like it's a habit I developed years ago. You know, something I'm gonna break. It's gonna take a lot of work to break that habit. I'm gonna do short low of day. And then I really don't think I had any edge working for me here. No
I
edge.
mean, yeah, that's hard.
Yeah. And I think my emotions are pretty accurate here. Yeah, I'll keep that as a red, obviously.
Yeah, this one is really red, but see, it's not all red.
Sure. This one was more than 5 minutes.
Okay, you took your time.
Tried to get in right there. That would have been a good trade.
Yeah, but it's normal to be hesitant again.
And then this one on.
Like you're in drawdown, like a big drawdown, so it's getting harder to trade.
Sure. This was my misinput. I'm not sure if you saw that.
I didn't get that.
Yeah. I left clicked and accidentally hit buy limit.
Oh, okay.
I might get rid of that option on my hotkey or my what's it called?
Yeah.
Trade menu, is that what it's called? No, what is it? Chart shortcut. Why is that there? Is it only when I click on the DOM? Yeah, so I gotta get rid of those. Chart trade menu. I'm just gonna get rid of all these. Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, I think since you're executing only with your DOM, you don't need this.
I think I need to keep stops on there though.
Yeah, maybe.
Is that, hold on, is that the one I need? I'm on sim, right? Yeah, I'm on sim.
I check it for you.
I gotta check, yeah, I gotta check.
I was checking for you.
Sell stop, right? That's what I want? Yes, okay. So that's my stop limit right there. Okay. Fix that problem. Hopefully I never run into that fucking issue again. I'm gonna leave all these tags blank because this is a misinput and I don't really want it.
Yeah,
My
so
data. I did have at one point a misinput tag. Where is it? Misinput right here, but I just don't really have anywhere to put it. I think my tags are getting a little too cluttered right now.
yeah. I mean, this one is niche, so
Yeah, exactly. Alright, so then my next one. And actually, while I'm at it, I'll take away this 5-minute one just because I don't want it to influence my data.
Yeah, because you didn't want to enter at this point, so.
This one, however, I will give it the 5-minute. I was at 10:03. Skip around a little bit. So now we're coming up here. Oh, again, dude, I made that same mistake. Look at that. I'm not
Yeah.
waiting for a green candle. And that was a max loss, I think. Wait for it to come back up. I could have got out right there for like maybe a 5 or 6 tick loss. But now I'm on tilt. So I'm going to go ahead and change this to tilt. Because I'm not getting out of that trade. Like, I need to get out of it. But I'm not. I'm like hoping it goes back up.
And you don't have a stop loss on it, right?
I do. You just can't see it
Yes,
'cause
sir?
it's black
Oh yeah. Yeah, okay.
right there.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you said that before, so I forget about that.
So we're no high time frame. Medium time frame, mean. Oof. Micro mean. I don't think there is a range on the micro time frame. Would you agree with that?
Yeah, I don't think so.
Yeah.
Can you play a little bit, play out
Yeah.
a little bit? Just see the next move. Okay, it's down.
Boom.
It's
Yeah.
down one. Okay.
High time frame trend favor, micro time frame trend favor, right? Yeah. But I'm so early. Slip against, aggressive, scalp, entry early and exit late, because I could have got out of that. There's multiple opportunities to get out of that. Mid. I kind of had a prior value area, but I mean it's like it's not factoring in at all.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna do no edge on that because I want my no edge tag so I can keep track of when I'm just placing shitty trades.
Yeah. And like again, when you go back to the trade,
Mm.
you can tell like if you enter when you had like at least one candle green, you could
Yeah.
have some momentum.
Yeah, I could have got a couple ticks out of it.
Yeah.
You know, and when I'm down on the day like this, that's what I should be looking for. I should be bankrolling and getting 1 to 2 tick wins.
So overall, it was a good idea, but
Way too
I
early.
mean, yeah, I mean, for your point of view, it's a good idea. For me, it's a bad idea because like the next move is a down again.
Mm.
But because you are a scalper, you catch momentum and you have momentum on the trade.
Yeah.
Some of it, like
Yeah.
just a couple ticks was enough for you. And yeah, that's for you was a good idea.
It should have been though. Like my system is for me to justify getting into a long momentum trade, it needs to invalidate the reclaim below it, and that's exactly what it did down here. But I didn't wait for that.
Oh, okay.
This
Yeah.
reclaim right here, I need it to be invalidated because I don't want to enter with reclaim behind me. So here would have been a great opportunity to get long.
Yeah.
And it would have had, according to my system, it would have had high EV. But entering up here is just psychological. Like it's FOMO. It's running without me. It's FOMO. I'm trying to get in. You know, I'm being.
I truly don't think that you have an issue with Spike's move
Sure.
because like you enter this up move because you see like very vertical moves, like very vertical momentum. Yeah, that's maybe a thing. I don't know.
Yeah, something was tracking. And then this was such a brutal fucking trade. It was a great trade, but I just emotions. I was too. Again, I was scared. I was too
Yeah,
scared.
that's a bit sad because like see up move you enter.
And then I get out
That's so
immediately.
fast.
You know.
Yeah, you don't give it a chance. Oh, yeah.
Fuck, man. God damn it. So yeah, this is all red for me. 10:03, 3 to 5 minute. I'm gonna change this to clear because I
Yeah,
did
you
a
definitely got.
fucking clear price action, you know. Did we have a trend at that point? Kinda. This is kind of a range.
Yeah, that's a range, I think. At least a compression, but
Yeah, I'll do range mid maybe on the lower time frame. Trend favor. I think this was also trend favor because we're still overall uptrending. Slip mid maybe.
yeah,
If I had waited a little longer and gotten in down here, like that would have been a great fucking trade.
Yeah, what I'm trying to like my entry most of the time are double tops or double top bot,
Yeah.
double bot. Yeah. So I would add entry limit at your stop loss, I think. Basically.
So entry late or entry early? I think I was still entry early. I think this is early. I should have waited for another retest down here.
It's depending. Like if you compare to the other last trade,
Mm-hmm.
you had like some of green ticks on this one. You have green bars
That's true.
before you enter.
That's true. Maybe I'll do
So
entry.
so like it wasn't good. It wasn't the best entry, but it was an entry at the time.
good
At a good
enough.
time.
It was good enough. Yeah.
Yeah.
Especially
Yeah.
considering the expected value. And
And
what?
considering what you did before, so
It just continues ripping without me. Look at that.
yeah,
Fuck,
that
man.
was
God,
that was
that
huge.
killed me. That fucking killed me. I do want to keep this green because
Yeah, that was a A plus setup most of the time.
technically it was a really good trade.
I mean, I don't know if you have like multiple things to enter this trade because yeah, you have like it had really good momentum on it,
Sure.
but did you have some sign to actually leverage that? Like you could expect that bigger move or not?
Not the bigger move. I would have cut it right here.
Yeah,
But in terms of factors of support, like I really like this compression. Compression after reclaim is really A plus for me. Like
Yeah.
we put in a huge reclaim right here, and then we start slowly compressing upwards. Like that's just it's textbook for me. Reclaim compression flat area.
I think you like one day you trade like we had the same entry,
Yeah.
and I'm still trading almost like this, a bit differently.
Sure.
Like I can show you how I trade today, but it really looks like this. We had the same idea, I think.
Yeah.
on
And
this.
looking at it in hindsight, I also noticed this prior value area right here.
Yep, and that's what I showed you. Like that's my first event. That's the range,
Yeah.
and the up move is the second event. It's a
Sure.
fast run, and I would enter at the bottom of the range, basically. The lower
The
range.
top or middle of the
No, no.
range, you mean?
No, the lower, like here.
Down
Yeah,
here. Sure.
yeah. I would try to enter this, but for this trade, it wouldn't have. I wouldn't have a gut field.
Sure.
But that's how I'm executing on this kind of idea.
Yeah. Like you could make the argument that the same thing happened here, but if you call this a micro range, in my system, I would call this a micro range right here.
Yeah,
And we
Um,
came down and cleared it and went back up.
yeah. I would enter right at the bottom of the around
Yeah.
here. Yeah. But if I catch the hint that the market's gonna move up again.
Sure. Yeah, that makes sense.
But yeah, we do have the same idea. Like after reviewing all your trade, you can know that you had pretty good idea, but it was management today. Management and
Yeah.
psychology, of course.
Yeah, I think before we reviewed, I thought I traded like shit. I thought it was just a horrible session. And in some cases I did. Like there were a couple
Yeah,
really shitty
that's
trades, but
that's why they are red.
yeah, exactly. But I mean, if we're considering are yellow trades acceptable trades, then most of my trades were acceptable today.
But
Especially
yeah,
considering this was a misinput. You know.
yeah. This one is blank, basically.
Yeah. I might even. Can I take off a rating? Yeah.
Yeah, I think that this one it shouldn't count at all because like you didn't mean to do anything on that.
I'll take off the emotional tags too.
Yeah, just put I don't you don't have mistakes on that, but yeah, whatever. It was just a mistakes anyway.
Is there anywhere I could fit mistakes in? Execution. I'll put it under execution.
Yeah, maybe misinput.
Execution misinput.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah, and when you watch back your review, you can say that you had pretty good idea overall.
Yeah, just I think psychology was a big issue today. I was either cutting trades too fast or I was letting them breathe too much. Because I was either scared or I was being greedy. Like I was hoping it would go further.
Yeah, but yeah, you had good idea and just external thing that makes you take shitty decision after you enter or
Yeah.
before you enter.
Yeah, which kind of
But yeah,
tells me that it's not an edge issue. I
yeah.
think I have edge. It's just underlying psychology issues going on.
This most of it, it's because of PA for me, but
Yeah,
was like,
that fucking very well could be true, dude. And I'm trying not to think about that, but I think
I mean, you
it's
have to
worth
be honest
addressing.
with yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to be honest with yourself. Like, it's just normal to enter a trade and wanted to make big money on it because you can make big money on it, not like in live,
Yeah, exactly.
not in like in sim.
Sure. That being said, though, I'm pretty close to failing this PA.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that happens, man.
48.9. Yeah, I'm pretty close. I gotta be careful.
It's a 50,
Yeah, 50K.
50K, so you have like 100,
I have
100 left.
100
How
what?
many- 100 left of drawdown. How many drawdown do you have left?
Let's see. I gotta change this. I don't remember
Yeah.
my Apex. I'm gonna hide this because I gotta type in
I'm
my
not looking.
passwords
I'm
and
not
shit.
look- I'm not
I'm
looking.
not looking. He says.
I'm looking away.
That's fucking funny.
Tell me when you're good.
All right, put this in. Do I have to put this on Rhythmic or Apex? I forget. I think it's Apex.
I mean, I can check myself if you like. It's Apex 50K, right?
Yeah,
No, you have drawdown. You have like moving drawdown.
Yeah, I just don't use a Star Trader a lot, so I forgot all my login shit.
How much is 50K?
All right, yeah, I'm in.
I think it's 250, right? Yeah, 2,050.
Man, that's so fucking bad. I haven't hit a single dollar of profit on this account, so my
Yeah, but
liquidate threshold's still 2,500.
at the same time, it's fine though, because like you have a
Yeah, I still got
I think-
1,500.
yeah,
Almost.
that's fine. That's fine.
Yeah,
You can turn it around, I think.
Yeah,
be
me
honest.
too. But I'm gonna have to bankroll, which means, and I'll have you
Yeah.
watch me do this. I'm gonna trade my, set my, I gotta change this back. I gotta change my bracket orders to one quantity.
I think it's really depending because like sometimes I do better with 2 lots, even if I should trade 1 lot, and sometimes I do worse when I trade 1 lot. Yeah, because in my head, if I size down, I'm gonna be more conservative, right?
Yeah,
But at the same time, I'm greedy because like I don't feel like I'm winning that much.
yeah, and that was why I originally moved up to 2 lots. But
Yeah.
I can't. I can't fool myself into thinking um, I don't want to fool myself into thinking, oh, I just need to make money. I need,
Yeah, yeah. The point I was making it was just like sometime when you greed because you don't feel like you're winning enough,
Mhm.
it's more dangerous than just accepting a bigger risk.
yeah, and that was a conclusion I came to, in December, and that was right before we hit the high VIX market.
Yeah,
Um, I am a 2 lot trader, and I am comfortable with that size, but I think right now I need to find my consistency again. And
right.
I would rather find that consistency using 1 lots and risking $500 a day rather than 2 lots risking $1,000 a day. Because if I have another $1,000 loss day, like that's the end of my PA, you know.
Yeah,
And it won't take much. Like if I can get two or three green days with 1 lot, I'll switch back to 2 lot. But I need to bankroll. It's like account bankroll. I need to bankroll my entire account, you know.
yeah.
But you make a very good point, and I need to be careful about that. Is like if I'm working my ass off for $200, I'm gonna make more
Yeah.
mistakes, you know.
Yeah, that's dangerous. That's even dangerous. Uh, like I thought like you, exactly the same way, and every time I just greed over and over,
Mm,
just in order to make the same than with 2 lots,
sure. Yeah.
and it's a double. Yeah, you have like double your performance basically, and that's nearly impossible.
Sure.
So. I mean, it's very rare at least, so you just push yourself for nothing and just like take chili trade anyway. So I think
Maybe what I should do now that you say that is keep keep 2 lots on, but cut my daily loss allowance because I
uh
don't need to risk 1,000. You know.
if you can accept it, then do it. For me it's very hard at the time.
Sure.
So now I'm like I know if I have a bad day, I will most likely to hit the minus 100k, 1k.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, But since I know that that's gonna happen if I take shitty trade or I'm just gonna go on tilt mode, I'm paying extra attention to the quality of my trade
Sure.
right now. And since like I take trade with 2 lots and try to take the best trade possible, when I have like really good winners, it feels really good.
Yeah.
And I just try to keep it like this. I'm not trying to trap myself with management issues since like you can tell if you have like psychology issue, edge issue,
Mm.
or just bad decision issue. So like you had really good idea trade, you should be paid for it,
Sure.
and you in order to get paid for it, you just need to fix your management,
Yeah.
and that's it. I don't think it's more complicated than that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Get
But that
size down.
my argument is that I am clearly having discipline issues, and until I fix those discipline issues, I can't afford another 1K day. You know.
Yeah, definitely. But if you can accept minus 500, then do it.
Mm-hmm.
But focus only on your quality of trade, I think.
Yeah. Yeah. That's a good idea. Maybe what I'll do instead of using round numbers is I'll look at what my average winning day is, and calculate what my daily loss limit should be based on that.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Because you have stats, so
Yeah,
that's very good.
I just gotta figure out how to do that. But I should probably take a break before I do any more review.
Yeah. We spend a lot of time to review this session, but at least now you can be more chill on yourself because like you're
Yeah.
a good trader. You just make mistake management and you got biased by your psychology today. But at least for the next session, you're gonna be aware of this and you can maybe fix that, the management part at least.
Yeah, exactly. I'll add an addendum to the post that I made earlier in prop, and I'll say like after reviewing, I've come to a couple of conclusions, and this is what I need to work on and stuff like that. And then tomorrow when I sit down to trade, I'll make sure that I do my DRC before the session, and know what I need to work on.
I think like the two main points from the two issue that I saw for you, it's like your expectation and your impulsivity on big spike move. That's
Yeah.
the two most dangerous thing I see. Basically, because like when you enter a trade idea, warning for the breakout is pure prediction.
Yeah.
So, or maybe if you can show me the sign that you have a really good probability of breakout.
Yeah.
But if you don't, that's for me is like pure prediction. So that's very dangerous.
Yeah.
And the second part is that you enter on the really fast move without a single green bar
Sure.
or red bar. So I think for me, like for the next session, just focus on that.
Yeah.
And I think it's gonna be very good already because like you are a good trader, you take good decision, and the 2 points just killing you right now. I think.
Yeah. Yeah. I'll write
One
that
thing
down.
at a time.
I gotta keep track of that because that's a good fucking point, man. If I didn't have those impulsivity trades today, like I could have been green or at least had a lot less loss.
I mean,
know?
the two first trade, I mean, the three first trade was really good overall. I think.
Hmm.
I mean, not the first one, but the second one was very good, and you could had really good risk ratio on it. So
Yeah, I agree with that. All right, dude. I'm gonna take a break. I'll add an addendum to my post later and like do
yeah,
another.
take it easy, man. Yeah,
Yeah, exactly. But I appreciate it, dude. Thanks for going over all this shit with me.
I've been there and I'm still here, so I'm
Yeah,
still
yeah,
in this shit, so that's okay. Yeah.
yeah, I
I
appreciate
mean,
it.
I can say what I think gonna help you. So
Yeah, and it helps, man, because it's another set of eyes. You know, I get tunnel vision, and I think, oh, I'm just such a bad trader. I'm such a shitty trader. But then I look at it objectively, and it's like, oh, I actually had edge today. You know.
yeah, that I think that's why I add the tag good idea or bad idea. That's
Sure.
helped me so much to know if I really did bad on a day or if overall it was good.
Yeah. Yeah. I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, see you.
Yeah, I'll talk
Good
to
to
you
get
later. I'll
some
probably
rest
be
and
on tomorrow morning.
yeah, sure.
All right,
See
dude.
ya.
See ya.